do if a mountain lion comes after you?
By knocking in it.
You're gonna smack him what?
Ready?
In the nose? In the forehead?
Just pulled up to Lily Lake. It's a small trail, about a mile, and it just loops the lake. This is our second day at Rocky Mountain National Park. This is like a this is like a south entrance, so it's off by itself. Look at the views here. So pretty. We brought our sleds today, so we're gonna hope to find some hills over here because this lake is.
Hey.
Say hey.
Hey.
Are you excited? There they go. Already found a little hill. Yeah, this lake is frozen solid. So, I don't think we're gonna be walking on it, but a penguin, watch out for those posts. There she goes. Here we go. Yeah. So we're gonna start going right.
The lake's frozen.
So it's real snowy when you first come in, but this trail is paved and it looks melted for the most part. This lake is absolutely gorgeous. Look at these views. This is going to be the coldest day that we have while we're here. It's like high of 32, but in the sun it's not so bad. Jojo has found a hill.
Yay!
Here he goes. Oh my gosh.
Hold on, Lily.
It's a bumpy hill, ain't it? So far, this has been a pretty easy trail. This is literally the lake right now, and it is, what, baby?
The mountain lion.
You watching for them for me? Good job. This is the lake, and it's frozen over. It's beautiful though. Better keep up. I was doing some research on the area this morning, and apparently there's a huge population of coyotes and mountain lions, moose and elk are the main things we gotta look out for. Oh, this is nice. Little sitting area. I mean, I just can't get over these views. Part of this trail has still got some snow cover, but Luckily, we've got our snow boots on. Chris and I ran off and left. Well, that hill goes straight to the lake. Let's not try that one. No, let's not. Chris and I ran off and left our snow boots at home. So, having to make do with our hiking shoes, which hasn't been so bad so far. We'll see. We may have to rent some if we do a trail that's worse than this. The beautiful part of the trail with these pines. I don't know if you can tell from up here, but it's all ice down there. It looks pretty thick still.
I wonder if people could skate on it.
Probably January and February when it's colder. I wouldn't try it now because things are starting to melt.
It's misting over it.
Oh, like the snow's going over it. It's pretty. We've ran into more snow cover. It's not too bad. Parents, come. What do you see? Oh, it's a little, hey, cool. It's a little lookout. Let's go see. Isn't this neat? What did you find, Peyton? Ah, a snowball! He got me! Are you trying to get me again? Lily Ridge Trail. We're about halfway now. I guess most people come the other way. Look how pretty this is. I know I say that a lot, but I just can't get over this area. We've been staying just outside Rocky Mountain National Park in Estes Park. And I mean, that town sits right in the middle of all the mountain ranges. You have a mountain in every direction. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, we just came from there. That was a doozy. Probably the most difficult spot.
I almost fell off. That was tricky.
I had to brace myself
You almost fell off too.
with my hand
You almost fell
on the side of the hill.
That was tricky.
Tricky, for sure. We're on the way back. There's the road out there where we've parked. I'd say we're about 3/4 of the way done. Most of this is in the sun, so I think we're pretty good with the trail. Oh no, I see some more snow up here.
Sorry, Mama. What's your favorite part, Mama, of this trail?
Oh, I love the views. Look over here.
My favorite part.
Oh, wow. What is happening up here? Are y'all making snow angels?
I made one.
You did?
Look, my foot got stuck right there.
It's kind of deep right there. Snow angels! Everybody do one. Yeah, that is definitely the wind picking up over there. We better head back quick. This is all snow cover, ain't it, Lily? What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the part when you almost fell off.
Oh, that's not funny at all. It's kind of funny. You were laughing because I was being a chicken?
My favorite part was the sledding part.
Oh yeah,
This was fun.
so much fun. It's another wind tornado behind y'all. Do y'all see it? Oh, it's going across. There it goes. This side over here looks like it's already started to melt. It's still kind of frozen though. Looks like this is sort of a bridge we're walking on now. Pretty neat. What in the world are you doing? Are you a worm? Whoa! This snow on the side is so soft, but it's so deep.
Yeah.
That's how much snow has been gathering here. I bet they get a lot of snow here. We're about to make our last little turn in our trail. Head back straight that way. I should have known there would be this much snow still. The kids have done awesome. We just love trails. Looks so cute in their snow gear. Right, Ro? You okay?
You laughing?
This wind has gotten crazy. Woo! I think they call that a snowdrift. And I think these people have to survive on this trail right now. Wow. Well, we have made it back to the trailhead. All in one piece. Oh, this has been amazing. Look at all we walked. We walked around this entire lake.
And I survived.
Survived. Totally worth it in the cold.
Mission complete. If you'd like to follow us on our journey, please subscribe.